Assalamualaikum guys, you are watching Zadkitech YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to create a single name on Facebook account, or you can say how to remove last name on your Facebook account. For that, you have to open your Touch VPN. Now select here Indonesia location, Indonesia, and connect. Wait for it. That's it. VPN is connected. Now open your Facebook account. Go to settings. What's the information? Click on it. Haris Cracker is my name here, and I want just make Haris. Just remove the last name and click on review changes. Now enter your password here. And that's it. Now you can see my single name on Facebook has been updated. You can see it clear from here. And that is. Here is the proof how to create a single name on Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.